Do you want to turn anonymous comments into real customers? In just 5 minutes, I'll show you the process to scan TikTok comments, collect user IDs, and send automated messages safely without spamming and with a very high response rate. Don't skip this video. And hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to introduce you to the feature that scans comments on TikTok and converts those comments into user IDs. From there, I can send messages directly to all the members. First, we'll copy the link of the video whose comments we want to scan. Make sure you pay attention to the video format. If I enter the correct format, I can successfully scan it. Next, we'll select the number of comments we want to scan. Here, I'll choose between 100 and 200 comments. Next, I'll select the account to use for scanning the comments. Here, the software will automatically open the browser and navigate to the video link you just added. At this point, you can scan and retrieve all the comments in the comment section of this video. So here, after you finish scanning, you can save the results to an Excel file. And here, you can filter out videos, for example, videos that are irrelevant or those that are considered spam, so you can skip them. There are videos that customers are interested in. For example, if they ask about the price of a product or its features, you can filter those out so you can message each of these people individually. Here, you have the convenient option to export this valuable data directly to an Excel file. After the export process is successfully completed, I will then proceed to open the newly generated Excel file. As you can clearly observe, the information will be readily available. I'll copy this document for you. Then I'll go to the viral marketing section to the message friends feature here and I'll paste those user IDs. Okay, I'll paste them, and after pasting, you can press Ctrl plus S to save the comments. Here, I'll set up a few basic parameters. You can set it up just like I do. Here, I'll prepare the content you need to send in advance. I've already got the complete content ready and prepared right here. Once you are entirely done with your work, just simply save it and then close the window. After that, I'll select the list of accounts to use for sending messages. Once that's done, I'll click Start. The software will automatically open browser windows, log into the accounts, find each user's ID, and send messages according to the content I've prepared. One thing to note is that we should always respect the platform's policies and avoid sending mass messages like a robot. Instead, we should personalize each message. And this is the process used to turn the comments on competitors' videos or on videos from industries where people have put a lot of effort into creating content to attract customers who comment and show interest in the products into results for your own business. In this particular case, the overall effectiveness will undoubtedly be at its absolute highest. And when you meticulously use personalized messaging to effectively reach each individual customer like this, the only crucial thing you truly need to do is to continually optimize the specific content you thoughtfully deliver directly to the customer so that they become genuinely interested in the product and actively respond to your inbox. You can see that the software will automatically find each ID and send messages for you. And in this video, I have guided you through the process of scanning comments, collecting user IDs, and sending automated messages in an effective, targeted way that avoids spam. The benefit you gain here is that you can turn these comments into a hot list with personalized message templates ready to use, and you can also measure the effectiveness of your strategy. Goodbye, everyone. See you again in the next videos.